Hi, I'm Robert Dutt for ChannelBuzz.ca here at Tech Data's Business Builder Tour 2015, joined by Ed Galasso, Director of Sales. Ed?
Hi, Robert. Welcome to the event.
Thanks for having me. Always a pleasure. This is year 8, right?
That's right, 8th year, and for 5 years in a row, this event has won the Canadian Channel IT Event of the Year, so we're quite proud of it.
Awesome. So you've got the streak going, and not to get all what have you done for me lately with you, but I know you always change things up a little bit every year. What's new with Business Builder Tour this year?
Excellent. Yeah, we do strive to change it up and keep it fresh. We've changed the format a little bit. We've also included some tech data sessions, one on cloud and one on mobility. But I think the biggest change this year has been the inclusion of the end user portion to our event. So having end users come out, join in the seminars, join in the tabletop. For me, that's been the biggest improvement this year.
So how does that work for me as a VAR? Do I invite my end users out then, and these are vendor presented sessions? Is this under the Tech Data brand, or how are these end user sessions presented?
So we've tried a couple different ways in different cities. Our best showing so far has been in Quebec City, where we selected a specific solution provider to bring their end users to the event. So by selecting one end user, one reseller, we seem to have gotten a lot of traction, and that reseller has been able to brand it as their show. We have a brand that we have under the covers for the event, but we really allow the solution provider to make it their own.
All right. As far as vendor and reseller attendees, what are we expecting here in Toronto for this leg of the tour?
Well, I'll start with the vendors. We have 32 vendors that sponsor this event. They get a lot of value out of it, really because they get to see over 6 cities, hundreds and hundreds of resellers. So it's really the exposure that they're getting. I mentioned that they have an end user portion, which is a lot of value to them. And the ones that are able to join in on a seminar and really get deep on a specific technology or on a specific program that they're pushing.
All right. And what's the profile of the reseller base? How many resellers do you have out, and what's sort of the profile of the rank and file reseller base that's here?
Right. So at this event, we're expecting close to 200 resellers to come through the doors. We got everything from large enterprise resellers to lots of SMB, because that's essentially the market that Canada is. So kind of all throughout the channel, and within those resellers, we have seminars, I mentioned, we have tabletop, we have a reception after. So there's really something for everyone within the specific resellers within the entire community.
All right. I know you've done a few stops already. You touched on the stops in Quebec. Where does the tour go from here?
So next up is Ottawa. We'll be doing that closer to the fall. And then following Ottawa, we're going to be hitting Calgary and Vancouver, and that'll bring the 6-city tour to a close.
All right, and we'll have the specific dates for you in the story that accompanies this. Ed, thanks so much for taking the time. Another good year here at the BBT.
Thank you for having me here in front of the camera. Thanks for joining us this evening, and I look forward to doing another one of these in Ottawa.
All right, we're here at the HP booth here at Business Builder Tour with Phil Smith, who's category manager for notebooks. And Phil, how's it going?
It's going excellent. There's a lot of folks here today. It's a productive event so far.
What are you guys focusing on this year here at Business Builder Tour?
Well, we have a lot of focus right now on mobility, on tablets, and our ultra slim notebook form factors, and also on our page-wide technology. Some of the great new print technology we've been bringing out in the last couple of months.
All right, what's working for you guys in the channel right now? What are the big movers in the VAR world?
In the VAR world, well, if you look at the market share data right now, there's a huge growth pattern happening on ultra slims as well as convertible devices. So things like an X2 split type device or a folding laptop, anything that basically allows you to use it both as a tablet and a notebook are really huge growth patterns right now. So we're focusing a lot on that.
Great, and lots of folks coming through the booth to see what's on offer.
So far, we've got a lot of great programs happening as well. We just introduced a couple of new programs for the partners. Right. We have a 5 for 8 program, so you buy 5 units or more, you get 8% discount on our Smart Buy products, as well as a 10 for 10 program, which is a short-term promotion that ends in June, that allows you to get 10% on top of any other rebates and promotions we have. if you buy 10 units or more. So some of the partners are taking advantage of that. And also we have some programs around discount, around demo devices, 70% off discount on up to 2 devices if you're a silver partner or above. And you'll be able to use those to showcase in front of your customers. And then you can use them afterwards too when you're done. So it's a double whammy.
Perfect. All right. Well, hope the event continues to go well for you here.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah.